Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you the difference between Canva Free and Canva Pro. Okay, so yesterday only I have started a session of Canva. If you are interested in Canva, so you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications. We are going to open Canva over here. Okay, so Canva over here, you have to search Canva. This will be the output or result, and after that over here we can search. Okay, so now I am going to search digital marketing. In this video I am going to show how we can create a template within a 5 minutes. Okay, so digital marketing template. Okay, so you have to press enter and there's a lot of templates as you can see. And now you will ask that how we can get to know that this is for free or this is for pro, like you have to pay for it. So for an example, like you have to scroll down and you can see over here there's a logo. From there only you will get to know that this is for free or this is for paid. As you can see over here logo, that means it's for premium version, like you have to pay for it. You have to pay for it. Okay, this premium template is included with your Canva for education plan. Okay, so this is for paid version, like premium version you have to pay for this. And for an example I'm going to show both of like how we can create in Canva Free and Canva Pro. Okay, so this one is Canva Pro, so I am going to select this one and customize this template. Actually there's no difference between Canva Free and Canva Pro. Actually in Canva Free you get a limitation, but in Canva Pro you don't get any type of limitation, but in Canva Free you get a lot of limitations. Okay, so you just have to but there's nothing difference. If you want to change any other thing you can change in Canva Free also as same as Canva Pro. Okay, in Canva Pro if I want to remove this image, you just have to click on delete image. After that you can upload your image and from here you can put your image like this. You just have to drag and set over here. Okay, like this. As you can see I just set the image. Okay, and from here only we can change any text. You just have to click 2 times over there. In text you can write any other thing, whatever you want to. You can change your logo, your number, your website name, any other thing. Okay, this is for paid version. Okay, now I'm going to show you for free. So let's first, there's a free one, there's no logo, that means it is for free. Okay, so now customize this template, and after that you can see over here you can change your image from here and your text, your background color. If you want to change your background color, that you just have to select the color. That means from here you have to like this. See, okay, you have to, if you want to change the images also, then you just have to click image and after that upload, and after that from here you just have to put like this and you have to scroll like this so that you can easily change your image. Okay, however you want to set, you can set your image. Okay, let's change the background color now, like background this one. Okay, so as usual as free and pro, they both have the same style or the same way you can change. Okay, so I guess so you can create your own template within a 5 minutes. And if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.